Welcome back to another DIY with MistrMopar. Today I'm going to show you how to recharge the air conditioner in a Toyota Tacoma. Mine is a 2002 with a 2.7 liter. It should be the same for 1995 through 2004 with the Tacomas that have the 2.7 liter. I'm not sure if the 3.4 has the same ports in the same place or not, but I would assume they do. So the first thing you want to do is you want to start your truck, turn the air conditioner on as high as it will go. Pop the hood. You're going to go around to the passenger side of the vehicle. Here's your two ports. You want to use the high port, which is this one here. It's the one closest to the firewall. Get yourself some coolant. I happen to find some on clearance at Walmart. Take the cap off your high port. I'm going to pause this while I hook the clamp on there. So I've got the clamp on there, and this has the twist top on this particular gauge. So I'm going to open it up. Well, I have to pause and open it. Okay, with this particular one, it doesn't have the squeeze trigger. So this, you're just going to loosen it. You're going to watch your gauge. You don't want anything above the green. And it does tell you on the can, you're going to want to rotate from 12 to 3. 12 to 3. Watch your gauge. You can see I'm getting into the green there now. Excuse the glare on the gauge there. I'm going to pause this while I continue to fill it, so it's not a 10-minute video. So you'll notice on my gauge I'm in the green. But I'm going to push it up to the closer to the 50 mark, so I know it's going to be good and full and give me a good cold air. See, now I'm up near 50. I'm going to go a little more and I'm going to call it good. So I've got that done now. Put my cap back on. So I'm just going to recap. This is for 95 through 2004 Toyota Tacoma with a 2.7 liter. Start your truck. Turn the AC on high. Find your high port, which, looking at your ports here, it is the one that's closest to the firewall. And hook your hose up. Watch your gauge. Do not go above the green, otherwise you'll be getting it in your face. Rotate your can from 12 to 3 while it's filling. When it's all said and done, you should be good to go. Thanks for watching. Hope this helps somebody out.